Okay guys, hope you're well. Just having a quick coffee because we all know Scruffy likes a coffee, and looking at the answers hub. I've already done some today. Flick this over so you can see the question. This one is to Gaz, little salute to you. And it says, just watch the market call today. Great stuff. Thank you very much. It was a great call this morning with some super nuggets. Even if you haven't got a clue what trading's going on, that video will sort you out. Do you use madness in every trade? And if not, how do you know when to use it because you were splitting into smaller trades? Okay. First of all, go and check module, I think it's 22, because I've just been looking at that. That'll tell you all about what madness is. Now, in answer to the question, do I use madness? I use it pretty much 90% of the time. Why? It's very simple. Over the years, we've figured out that trying to nail the market pit perfect is nigh on impossible, you know. And for those who say they can, good luck, you know. I can't do it. I really can't. I can get there or thereabouts, but most of the time the market will move against me. So ask yourself a simple question. In the last 100 trades, how many times has that market gone to target without looking back even 3 pips? The chances are not very many. If you're nailing it all the time, you don't need a madness sort of setup. But if it does move against you, then madness capitalizes on that move. So that's why I use it all the time. Years ago, I used to still open up multiple trades, but I'd open them up at once. And I still do that, but I do it inside madness as well. So I'll open up multiple positions at the same point with each different targets on them. Reason why I do that, just saves me having to try and work out how to scale out. It'll do it for me. Now, with madness, it doesn't matter that I'm breaking it into smaller positions. And one of the biggest failures of traders is they'll always say, oh, well, the first position ran for me and I've missed all this money. Well, my answer to them is, you're a gambler and you shouldn't be doing this job in the first place. Go get an application for McDonald's. They'll be hiring next week. The job is process. Doesn't matter if it's 10 pence a position, £100 a position. You break it backwards because the market moves backwards. And that's why I do it. It's just a way of working out the trades. And I figured out my sweet spot is position 3. So I work all my trade from position 3, which is pretty much where I should have got in the first place. And then I work all of my investment rewards from there. Hope that helps. Catch you soon.